locals, of course they are. And in second place, Stephen now may go on. What's happening in Division 1? Oh,
3 wide going into third. It was never going to work, was it? So Ricky Collins in the line. Thomas, who is beginning to catch. So whilst Chris Levitt is leading Division 1, Steve Thomas, who lies 4th in Division 1, is starting to catch. He's bringing with him also the next of the trucks and six directly behind him, which is number 69, David Jones. Still out front of leading overall, though it's number 55, Graham Bow. And he took his way on towards the Brabham Straight, leading his way through in second place overall. And leading Division 1 truck is the Renault in the hands of Chris Levitt. And just keep your eye now over the start finish line. There goes number 7, Stuart Oliver. He's got Steve Thomas right with him.
Race leader is Chris Levitt, and he makes his way into the
Come on, Ben. And that's because his son, Ben Horn, is side by side with Heinz Fidelenz going in towards 30. Joris Mercedes on the outside line. Ben Horn on the inside line. They just about avoid contact with each other, but Ben Horn cannot quite muscle his way through. Still, the former European champions and with Tom Mercedes we've got in the field is keeping the gold LAM behind in the hands of Ben Horn. Then it's the yellow truck of Ricky Collins just ahead of Keith Sandberger, but that is a great battle that's going on between all of those. Just ahead of the MAN engined Scania in the hands of Stuart Oliver, who I think has probably sold all of those electrical issues he had, working long into the night, and the two Scanias now side by side as they turn their way into Keith Sandberger will have the inside line through Druitt and should hang on to fourth position overall in the race, as we're almost side by side of Division 2, and Simon Reed looking to try and get himself up the inside of Steve Rotheris. They turn their way in towards Druitt's corner. The IVK going side by side with the Foden, and Simon Reed has made it through to the 2 trucks, and are going to squeeze their way past Adam Finn's Volvo White as they head down the Cooper Straight. Oliver is through, Chris Levitt is through, and Summerfield is through ahead of Adam Finn. So 3 for the lead of Division 1. Everybody, look at this. This is the strap on the second place over. Is Chris Needham, and for the first time today, Matt Ingewood is headed. So Chris Needham in car number 35, right turn Liam Ward, has raced the 250cc Winston Division. There we go, up towards the right hand of the crowd. It's their way they go for the first time, and they're going to be doing an 18 lap race. There's quite a few that are really trying to do. What on earth is going on? We've got that one car. On the road, Rob Burley having to work very, very hard as he wiggles his way past the next of the back markers, and again Dale Jess is following him